Hello, in this video, I'll teach you how to activate promo code on 1xBet. To do so is very simple. Before we proceed with the video, I would like you to create a professional 1xBet account. To do so, please click on full registration. Once you are at this page, you have 4 means in which you can register your professional 1xBet account, but I advise you to use by email. You click on by email. Once you are here, you have to fill all your informations, starting from your surname, your country, your regions, and all the informations. Then you scroll right down here where you see promo code. I advise you to use this working promo code JETV. Once you create your account using this promo code JETV, 1xBet is going to give you a 300 bonus at your first deposit. Meaning, if you deposit 10,000 on your 1xBet account, 1xBet will give you a 30,000 extra bonus, making a total of 40,000 on your 1xBet account. So once you do so, you have to click on all these policies. Then you click on register. So let's continue with the explanation of the video. Once you are your 1xBet homepage, you click on menu. Once you are here on menu, you click on settings. Once you are here, you have to scroll right down where you see lockout of account. You lock out from the account. Once you are here, I'll advise you to create a professional 1xBet account, which will actually activate your promo code. So you click on full registration. You click by email. I'll advise you to fill in all your relevant personal informations. Then you scroll right down here. Then you activate this bonus account, which is you enter this promo code JETV. So once you do so, 1xBet will give you a 300% bonus at your first deposit. Meaning, if you deposit 1,000, you would receive an extra bonus of 40,000 on your 1xBet account. So it's as simple as that.